on the new setup. Okay. Then the orientation, I will just come down to the orientation and click on Z axis. I will click the Z axis as this line. So now the Z axis comes on this side. And then I want the X axis. Select this X axis now. You just click on this X axis. I want to flip this X axis now. You just click on this flip. And then I want the model now. Then go to the stock bottom, then go to the model box point. So I want the model box point to be on this side. You just click on this. Okay. So now once I do that, so now I will go for the stock. You will going to maintain the same thing in the previous case. So okay. And I will click on OK now. So now on the top, if you see, so this is how it will going to look. Okay. So the Z axis is here. On this side, I want to take it from the right. So now the right point is here. So now the next thing is I want to go for this contouring. So again, I will just go for 2D contour, select on this. So I'll go for a select. I will go for a milling tool matrix, come down to flat end mill. Now I will go for higher diameter of the flat end mill. You just click on 14 mm end mill. You just click on select. Now we have this cutter. So now I will take this dimension as 2000. Then this feed rate is 100. And similarly, the layout out feed rate is 150. Okay. Then I want to come down to the geometry. Select on scene. Click on open chain. Click on this side. Okay. Then click on OK for this. Then come down to the heights. So you come down to this side. So bottom height is the selected contour. The top height is the model top. Yes. Then the feed height is top height. Then retract height is from feed height. Then the clearance height is from the retract height. So like the model height is the here bottom height. So top height is the model top, that is this one. Then the feed height is from top height. This is the feed height. So this is the retract height and this is the clearance height. So then I want to come down to these paths. So go to roughing passes. So here, since I have taken 14, I will take 12 mm. The number of step overs, I will take around 3. So then I want the multiple depths. I want to take the total depth is 36. So I want to take around 2 mm for each cut. So then I will just click on OK now. So once you do that, now it will going to remove the material here. But will it be? I will just go to the setup and go to simulate now. So the errors are found. So that is basically because I need to change the length of this. So I will go to edit. So come down to the edit operation. Then here click on the cutter. Then take the overall length as 90. Let it be 90 only. Then the length below holder is 70. Okay. Then the shoulder length will be 60. Okay. Then this will be 50. Okay. Click on OK now. Now we will see, click on OK. So we have this cutting operation. So go to the entire setup, go to simulate. Now you say these issues now. You just click on this side. So now we are doing the operations here. So now we are removing all these things. So the setup is, the entire thing is over. So the next thing is I want to remove the drill now. So again, I want to go for the new setup. Then here, the orientation, I want the origin. So here, this is the Z axis. So, okay. So here, I want the Z axis to be on this side. The origin is the model box point. You just click on this model box point. model box point. So click on this side. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Then I will just come down to OK. So once you do that, now I want to go for drilling operation. So go to drill. Then I want to come down to select. Then what is the diameter? It is 6 now. So go to hole making metric. Then go to drill. Take 6.6 mm drill. Come down to 6 mm drill. Take 18 degrees. Click on select. Then you take 2000 RPM. Okay. Then plunging feed rate is 100. Then retraction. Come down to geometry. Click on this geometry here. Okay. Then you come down to the heights. So bottom height is from all bottom. That is bottom height. All bottom. And then again you give just -2. Let it be inside. Still some more inside. The top height is the whole top. Yes. Feed height is from top height. Then retract height is from feed height. Okay. Then the retract height is clearance height is from retract height. Okay. Then I want to come down to deep drilling operation. So take around 1.5. Yes. You just click on OK. Now the hole is drilled now. Okay. This one. So now I will go for the entire setup. Go to simulate. So you just click on this. So now we wanted to reduce this. Yeah. Now we have the second operation. Then you have this slot cutting on this side. Now we are removing this. Then on this deep drilling. Then we are removing this material. Okay. Then I want to go for the next setup. Yeah. Then go to exit simulation. So we have entire thing is completed. Now the next part is I want to remove this from inside. So to do that, I will just go to 3D. Okay. Then go to setups. Okay. Go to new setup. Come down to new setup. So now here I want to take the Z axis now. Orientation, go to Z axis. Make this as the Z axis. Yes, correct. Okay. I want to do it from the bottom. So I want that Z axis to be flipped on this side. Yeah. Then I want this X axis. Select this as the X axis. Okay. I will going to flip that portion also like this. Okay. So once you do that, now I will just click on OK now. So the setup has been changed from here to here. Okay. Now here, the moment when you go for the new setup, edit. So once you do that, the origin point is box point or box point. So I will take this as the model box point now. Okay. And I will just click on OK now. So now I want to go for facing operation. Click on facing. So now the cutter will start coming down from the bottom now. Then you go for select. Then I want to go for milling tool matrix. Click on flatten, sorry, facing. Face mill, click on this and click on select. Now you come down to 2000 RPM. And then I want to make this as 100. Then I want this to be 150. Okay. Then you come down to geometry, selected contour. Then come down to heights, model top, stock top, top height, retract height is from feed height. Then you just go to this, go to facing, come down to the multiple depths, make it 2 mm per face, cutting both the ways, yes. Now I will say click on OK. So once you do that, now we have the setting up of this operation. So simulate. Now I will remove this material now. Okay. So now we have this entire thing. Okay. Once you do this facing operation, then let us go for the entire thing. Let us see all the holes are opened or not. You just come down to this. So you just click on this. Okay. So just to check whether the holes have been entered. So the moment when you do the facing operation, this holes has to be opened now. That is the main requirement. Okay. You just come down to this side. Now this is open. Yes. Similarly, I want to open the pocket now. So I'll just go to the exit simulation. Now we go for the 3 dimension. So you'll just go to the facing. Okay. Now I want to go for pocket. So now I will just go to 2D pocket. So now I want to come down to select. Then I want to go for the flatten mill. So go to whole milling tool matrix. Click on flatten mill. And you go for 10 mm flatten mill. Click on OK. Then come down to this 2000 RPM. Then you come down to 100. Then here also you make it 100. Bleed out feed rate is 150. Okay. Then you come down to geometry. Select this 2D pocket on this side. Okay. And similarly you just click on this. Okay. Again, you go to select 2D pocket on this side. Okay. Then click on OK. Then come down to heights. Selected contour. Top height is model top. Okay. Feed height is from top height. Then retract height is from feed height. Then clearance height is from this. Then you come down to passes. Then you come down to multiple depths. Make it 1 mm. Okay. Because you have only 7 mm pass. Stock to leave, you don't take it. And then click on OK now. So now we have this pocket has been considered. So now you go to setup, go to simulate, select this entire thing now. Now we are removing this entire thing. Okay. Now you come down to this. So you can see that the facing operation is completed here. The bottom also, which has been removed. So we can see all the openings. Now you just go to right click and go to exit simulation. Now again you go for 2D. Now I want to do the pocket again. Okay. Go to 2D pocket. Then you take the same flattened mill. Make it 2000 RPM. Okay. Similarly, you make it 100. Then you go to lead out feed rate is 150. Okay. Click on the geometry. So now you take the geometry as this portion and also as this portion. Then you take it on this side. You just click on OK. Again, you go to 2D edit. Then you come down to geometry. So again, you just click on the 2D pocket on this side and click on OK. Similarly, on this side also, you select this portion and say OK. Then you come down to heights, selected contour, then go to, go to model top. Okay. Then top height is from, feed height is from top height. Retract height is from feed height. Then go to finishing passes. Then remove stock to leave. Go to multiple depths. Make it 0.5. Okay. Click on this side. and click on OK now. So we are removing all these things now. So now we will go for 3D. So now the everything has been completed. Now I will just go to the simulate from the entire thing and I will just click on this portion. So okay. Now you come down to this, take it on this side. So all these operations have been completed. So this is how you will be able to create the part modeling, the modeling and the programming of the body part of plumber block. So you will just go to simulate. Now I'm going to do the final operation once by using the simulation. So we'll try to reduce the speed now. So now we're going to take for the contouring. I will take it to increase this. So once you do that, then we want to do the pocketing. So the third operation is 2D pocket in the first setup on this side. Then similarly 2D contouring and on the, sorry, pocketing on this. Then you have on this side. Now you go for contouring on this. Similarly on this side. Then I want to remove this on this side also. Then we have the slotting operation of this. Then on this side is also we are doing the slotting operation. Then we have the 2D contouring. And on this 2D contouring and this, now we will try to reduce this speed now. So now we have in the second setup. So we are removing that material. Then you want to do the last setup here. Now we are removing the material here from the bottom. That is the last setup. Then we want to do the pocketing of that is 20 mm square. Then we have this pocketing of 8 mm on this side. So this is how you will be able to do the modeling. So the total statistics which are going to give you the machining of about 15 hours, 34 minutes, 50 seconds is the total machining time. And now you just go through this once and now you can see. So all the things which is being completed by using the programming. So now once you do that, now we'll just go to right click and click on OK. Then I will go for the 3 dimension and just go to exit simulation. Now I will going to save this model. Now we will going to generate the M and G codes for this. So to do that, just go to setup, click on post process or generate NC program. So take all the operations, click on all the operations which have been created. Then come down to settings. So you take the Fanuc as the controller. Then name of the program number is 1001. And now I want to post it. So OK. Then I will just click on OK now. So it generates the NC code successfully which has been posted. So you just go to the view NC code. So it will generate the NC program for this. So for this body program, we will be able to get the NC codes. So these are all the operations which we have considered. So what is the total number of lines which we are considering here to generate this program is 14,736 lines. So these are all the executional codes. And this M is for the miscellaneous code, G is the preparatory code. And this X, Y, I, and J, it is the increment along x-axis and J is the increment along y-axis. Okay. So once you generate this, so I will just close this process. Okay. Now we want to go for the process sheet. Then you just right click on setup, then post process it, or you just go to the setup sheet. Then where you want to place this, you just go to D and come down to a particular this one, select this folder. Okay. Now it will going to generate the process sheet. So here it will give all the data, whatever the tools which you have used, and what are all the estimated time, whether the coolant used or not. All these things will going to be given in this process sheet. And this process sheet along with the NC code is given to the operator so that he will going to look into the setup sheets, and then accordingly he will execute the program on the machine. So this is the full process which will be done on the programming side, right from the modeling till to get into the setup sheet along with the program and the NC codes. So this is how we will be able to create this body of the plumber block. Thank you.